PatrickStarrr, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very special guest, RCL Beauty. Rachel, thank you so much for coming. I did her hair and her makeup and she looks gorgeous. It is a very natural, beautiful glam of pink lip that's soft for every day, for a party, for a date, for walking your dog.
For anything.
Anything. Be sure to check this out. If you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get right into the tutorial. Yay, RCL Beauty 101. I'm going to start off with misting her face with this expensive water by MAC Cosmetics. This is Fix Plus. It's great for waking up the skin before and after makeup. It's a really great setting spray as well for those of you that have normal skin only. I wouldn't recommend it for oily skin. But to prime the face, I'm just going to apply a little bit of the Benefit Professional on her nose and on her cheeks just to smooth it all out. And then next, I'm going to take, oops, I went to Disneyland earlier. That's why my hands is stamped Mickey. And I'm going to take this Becca Aqua Foundation and I'm just going to pour a couple drops on the back of my hand to warm it up. And I'm just going to apply this on her face. This foundation is amazing. It's by Becca. It's very lightweight and very liquidy, so it's going to add a very luminous effect to the skin. And this is their newest foundation. Now, as I set that on her face, I'm going to apply this concealer by Benefit called the Boing Concealer. It just bounces back light. That's why I think the name is called Boing. It's really bouncy and it's just a full coverage concealer, and I'm just gonna blend that with the G2 brush by Morphe. Remember, you can get anything on Morphe using the code PSTARR for 10% off, including this brush. This brush is like a beauty blender on a stick. All brushes that I use in this video are by Morphe. And I'm gonna take that and further on press it into her skin so it doesn't move with a Real Techniques beauty sponge. So to set everything into her face, I'm gonna take the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder and press that in on the highlighted areas. And I'm going to prep the eyes with this Lemonade eyelid primer, and I'm mixing it a little bit with the concealer, and because she has a little bit of redness on her eyelids, I'm going to brush this all over the eye and set it with that same Laura Mercier powder, baby. Yes, so we can have a beautiful, simple, smoky eye. As you can see, her face is already set and it's prepped, but I'm gonna add a little bit of bronzer to it. Everyone can use a little bit of bronzer. This makeup tutorial is simply for beginners, for those of you that don't wear a lot of makeup, that want to look dolled up. This is super simple and you can get beautiful eyes using the Manny MUA palette with Makeup Geek. These are two beautiful shades. They're called Beaches and Cream and Sora. And I'm just gonna brush this into the crease really, really effortlessly. You don't have to do anything too intricate. It's just a little bit of definition. And I'm taking a flat brush and pressing this highlighting color onto the lid, and I'm just lifting her brow with my thumb and pressing it in. And this color is Artemis by Makeup Geek and Manny. This is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful eye look. And it's super simple to do. I even wear this on myself all the time. I'm just going to define her eyelid using a gel liner. You can use a pencil liner. A gel is great. She loves herself a good winged effect, so that's what I'm giving to her. And I'm just gonna curl her lashes up to Jesus. Give her like a beautiful curled effect. And it's just gonna open up her eyes. You see it's already lifting her eyes. And this part is optional. This is eyelashes by New Bouncem. They're in the style called Serengeti. You see how it just gives her like a beautiful formal effect, and it's not too big. It's just a simple, beautiful, but dramatic lash all at once. And I'm going to take the same bronzer, the Tantric bronzer, and I'm going to brush that underneath the eyelids. And I'm going to set her highlight and add a little bit of dimension using the Charlotte Tilbury finishing powder for a finished, smooth look. And I'm going to take this big blush book and I'm going to use this golden blush right here on the bottom. Blush palettes are thebomb.com for makeup artists. For those of you that want to try new blushes, they're great, especially if you like to change up your lip color. If you wear the same thing pretty much all the time, then stick to one blush. But if you like to change it up all the time, blush palettes are amazing. And this palette is beautiful, and I wanted to give her a rosy, fun, beautiful look. And I'm going to take this bronzer. This is also another bronzer that's really, really pretty. Hoola by Benefit. And this is a highlighter by Anastasia. This is great, and I'm going to apply this on the top of her lip and also on the inner corner of her eye. This is called So Hollywood. SARR Hollywood. And I'm going to apply Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer in her brows. And this is just going to really accentuate her beauty, because beauty is from within. She has amazing brows. And I'm going to take this lip liner by MAC called Whirl. It's a beautiful lip liner. I lathered her lips up with moisturizer, applied the lip liner, and I'm going to apply a creamy lipstick because she doesn't really wear lipstick. She told me she wears chapstick, but I feel like a lipstick with a lot of moisturizer is comfortable for people who don't really wear makeup. So Bite Beauty is a great lipstick because it's creamy and it smells great. And this is the finished look. She looks beautiful. Wear this to prom, wear this to your next dance, your next wedding, and we'll do the hair, and I will be right back with a finished look. Alright, you guys, this is the finished look with Rachel, RCL Beauty. Do you love it?
Yeah.
Yes. So be sure to check out the makeup that I did for her Carpool with Disney Princesses video linked down below. Thank you so much for coming on my channel.
Thank you for having me on your channel.
Yes! If you guys want to see a hair tutorial, please let me know. Again, thank you so much. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Daniel! It's Danielle! You!